Itong si Bev Boto.
That's right, and that's a very good attack set also by their setter. Quick attack also from FEU, but then Beverly Boto still there, single block. Alam mo yung sinasabi nilang overtime timeout kanina eh. You just have to read the opponent, and which is precisely what Beverly Boto did.
Great block, great block.
Isang blocker niya, they had napakommit ng setter ng FEU, but then she was there to do the offense against the spiker.
Great read there by Bev Boto at the block, but not so great read by the defense of Harin. Gonzalez able to hit it down the line, and it is FEU going into the first technical timeout of the second set, 8-7. If it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. And we're back here in the second set. This is a matchup against between FEU and Lyceum. The first set, for those of you just joined us, won by Lyceum. And it is FEU ahead this time here in the second, 8-7. Cabanag with a good serve. Bev Boto gets blocked. No one from Lyceum able to hit that. Jose able to tip it to Vivas. That one is wide from Vivas. And it is, we're tied at 8. Nakahabol na, partner, itong Lyceum.
So, medyo both teams are getting into the game. Nakukuha na nilang momentum. Good coverage there from Lyceum. Artates.
Artates, also a new name in the lineup. This one goes to Bev Boto again.
Once again, another chip shot from Beverly Boto.
Ano ba feeling, Ivy, nung gano'n, ano? Yung may napasabay kang baso, ihuhulog mo lang, wala man lang tao doon?
Of course, syempre, it's actually yun yung sa mga one of the greatest things na pwede mong gawan if you're a spiker. Yung mapasabay mo yung blocker mo, and then but yung malinlang mo sila, and then masira ang depensa, especially when you do that. Yung akala nila papalo ka ng malakas, and then all of a sudden, iti-drop shot mo lang siya.
That's right. Kasi ang maganda doon, pinapanood ng lahat ng kalaban mo kung paano at saan babagsak yung ball.
Sinasabayan ka talaga nila, thinking that you would be hitting the ball hard.
Jose with another good serve. Artates missed reception. Oh, good save from Babalo. And of course, our first referee, Philip Season, calls a lifting violation on the Lady Pirates. FEU on top by 1. Jose targeting Artates.
Bernadette Satsatin.
Nagpakilala itong si Bernadette Satsatin with that spike. We're tied at 10. Bev Boto now in the back row. It's her turn to serve. Tolentino digs it up. Goes back to Tolentino. Dalia Cruz naman tumalik sa harap, partner.
No, Lyceum's blocking is working very well for them. And masisipag ng blockers natin, we have the likes of Beverly Boto. And of course in this play, Dalia Cruz.
Ano ba ang tawag doon sa hairstyle na gano'n ni Dalia Cruz? Yung parang nakatali sa taas.
Hindi ko rin alam ang tawag dyan.
Oh, smart play from Morada. This time she does not force it. Does the smart thing, pinalusot lang sa gilid with a top spin off-speed hit. Tied at 11 here in the second. Morada with a service ace.
Now Irish Morada slowly getting back into the game.
Bumabawi itong si Morada.
We'll just have to wait and see if she can hold it up until the end of the match.
That's right. Morada taking some time, really choosing her target. Harin right there to receive. Oh, Satsatin and Dalia Cruz got confused. There was a mix-up. Gonzalez.
The smart move that goes off the block.
Just like a veteran. Ayan.
So she had two blockers, but then she decided, ba't ko nga naman papaluin, pwede ko naman palapisin na lang.
Morada with a solid service
from Irish Morada.
I think that was supposed to be, going outside
already. Could have been outside, but then again, it was a floater, so pwedeng biglang mag-dip yung bola.
Tama, Morada. Look at the concentration on her face. Talagang dun niya dinadala. Satsatin off speed, dug up by Gonzalez. Tolentino cross court. Satsatin setting it up for Artates. Pinangat po ang bola. Morada topspin from the back row. Artates once more. Popped up by Morada. Good rally we're seeing. Artates!
Drop shot!
Ayun! Si Jose lalong pinala yung bola.
But you know, you would have seen it already because nakita nyo medyo off ang pinanggalingan ng set ng bola and Artates wasn't really in position. Take off pa lang halata na hindi na she won't be able to hit the ball that hard.
But of course, the effort was there for the Lady Tamaraws. Jose will set it up for Gonzalez. Oh, good defense by Babalo. Harin, that's too close to the net. Jose, binuhay po ang bola. Vivas, cross court, dug up by De La Peña.
Dalia Cruz, another drop shot. This time, FEU is able to counter that.
Oh! Harin was like coming from the other side. Yung buwelo niya, paatras pa lang siya, binigay na agad sa kanya. So
a little miscommunication on the part of the Lady Pirates.
kita mong hirap na hirap si Harin doon sa paghabol ng bola. Vivas there, another good serve. De La Peña right there, set for Harin. That one does not hit the board, that is outside. FEU going into the second technical timeout of the second set, 16-12.